So I got the remote control outlet from Tessan. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive and how to get this thing set up, but it's very, very easy to do. So what you're going to get is the actual plug itself, just plugs into the wall, and then this is going to be your remote. And what's cool about this, it has a magnet on there, so you can put this on your wall, nail it anywhere you want to, and then you just go like this, it's going to stick in there. So you won't lose the remote or anything like that. They make it super simple. So I'm going to go and plug this into my wall, and I'll show you how to set this up right now. Okay, and how to set this up, it's very easy. So just find the outlet you want to put it on. You're just going to plug it in. And outside here is going to be a power switch. Oops, red's going to mean that it's on. So at this point, we can plug in our device. I'm going to move the camera now so you can see it a little bit better. But just like that, this thing is installed. Okay, and just so you can see everything, here's the remote. Goes on there real nice. Turn it off. Turn it on. And this works up to 100 feet away, so this is perfect, for Christmas lights, maybe you got hard to reach lamps, anything like that, you now can remote control that outlet. So super easy to install, just plug it in, you're good to go, no batteries or anything like that. So I give it 2 thumbs up.